Threshold job. That's funny. It's all about doing it the right way. You gotta add that concrete bonding adhesive to fortify that concrete so everything that you put down can actually adhere. Yep, that's where we at. We've added the bonding agent. Now it's just letting it dry. And we're gonna come with the quick setting cement and level it out. Add the bonding agent to the pre-mix. It'll help the cement bond better and be able to weather the storm, weather the winter and rain, all elements. Try to get it mixed. Remember, you're using quick setting cement. Not so much time to set it. Quick setting. Do that real well. Get all your air pockets out, all your little crumbs and balls and rocks and whatnot, and make it like really thick texture. And then you go ahead and trowel it. So I have my first layer on there, and we want to let that dry before you put the second layer, and then you should be able to trowel it out and let it dry. Waiting for this part to dry a little bit so I can put my last coat on. I'm gonna do some concrete crack filler real fast. Just letting it dry. Pretty much done. It's just I want to let it dry and get hard so that way if you're gonna do any type of imperfections or any type of patch ups along the way, you can do it because the surface is solid now. Finishing touches. I even filled the cracks in the mortar for the client. That's what I do. I always do more than expected. And there's the repair. Look at her. Well, you couldn't even tell that there was a chunk taken out of there. I'll stay visionaries, baby.